Egypt shows. Because we're going there. Because we're going there. I'm gonna try some Turkish delight at our layover. Oh, what flavor?
Are they testing?
How do you like it? Do you like it? You like it?
It's like gummy bears.
Okay, Victoria's really excited to try Turkish coffee, but let's see what she thinks.
Let's try.
I personally think it tastes like kind of like dirt,
It tastes like dirt.
even though I love coffee, but it's not really my thing. It's too hot. It does smell really good.
No, it tastes good.
Does it? Let me try it.
Oh my god, it tastes good.
Let me try this one. Maybe this one's different.
This guy made it with love. I'm telling you what, he was smart.
These are people. They're videoing us and we're videoing them. Typical. First thing we do when we land is Starbucks. Like they have cookies.
No.
Oh wait! Just welcome to Egypt. We out here. Whoa! Not the vape already.
Culture, you know?
Oh, the culture. It is the culture. The airport smelled like cigs. Yeah, my bag. I forgot my bag.
Can you do on the GoPro instead?
Checking in. Some juice.
What?
Oh my god.
That is insane.
Dude. We made it to Egypt and here's our little room tour. We have the bathroom here, a pyramid view, which is like crazy. Like, can you believe that they're even real? And we have our very own balcony. Yeah, like that. We just checked in our hotel. The view is gorgeous. I cannot believe we can see the pyramids from our room. And now we are off with Egypt Eye. We are gonna go explore some of Egypt and have more of a chill day before tomorrow we're gonna do all of the big stuff when we are well rested. And I also brought a bunch of my Whole Food Power Bars. I literally crammed like 2 boxes into my purse.
Okay, that's
The
it.
documentary Tutukamu.
We have to run that back. We have a correct pronunciation. Can we get a pronunciation for her?
Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun. Not very fast. Tutankhamun. Oh, Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun. Remember, because they're like, oh look, there's the Ankh.
Oh yeah, and
Remember, yeah.
and
I watched a documentary.
on the plane, yeah. But they say it Tutukamu. We say
In Arabic. Yeah, it's Tutankhamun. Yeah, that's right. Tutankhamun.
You know, it's 1 Egyptian pound, and it has the mosque of Tutankhamun.
Oh.
Yeah, it's this one.
Oh.
Let's try to find.
See that?
Oh, I didn't hear.
Got our tickets. We are at Memphis, Egypt's ancient capital.
Memphis.
Not Memphis, Tennessee. Ramses II statue.
you.
تايهين وسط الحارات شايفين بيوت بنقابل ناس ساعات والوقت يفوت تايهين وسط الحارات
Yeah, they were excavating here. Yeah, we watched that on the plane and excavating right there.
So what happened to that pyramid?
That one was a bust. Erosion.
The false gate?
The false gate.
Yeah, because we just have one entrance. It's for his soul. So they thought that this soul will come back again to the mummy. So that's why they made it especially for the soul. It's from 2000.
This is the first pyramid of the world.
Yeah.
This is the pyramid of Djoser, the pyramid of Saqqara, and it's the first pyramid in the world. Kim Kardashian? Kim Kardashian? Is that you?
Kardashian.
Everybody's looking. No paparazzi, please.
We have the room of the king. We had the mummy, but they stole it, so we don't have it now.
Tomb Raiders.
We don't have.
This is the tomb for his soul. But the one he used is that one.
Which is a bird. Sixth dynasty of one queen. The fishes. And here how the writers were writing on the papyrus. And the papyrus, it's a plant. It's a holy plant. They use it to write it down.
Papyrus.
Papyrus, yeah.
Yeah.
Also, they offer it. On the other side, we have the animals, cow, or pigeon. And here, she is the queen of this town. We can know it how? Because of her size. Look, her size is very big, and the other size of the workers is very small, so we can know which One is the queen, and she has the flower of lotus.
So cool. There's so many little puppies. Look at him.
You're scared.
We stopped for a lunch break. Oh, Lord have mercy. We slept in the car a little. Wow. Oh, this is what I want so bad. Hello. I can take? Okay. The whole thing? Ooh.
You can try it.
Can I try it? I love bread. It's so cute.
Welcome my screen. Sure. Yeah.
First Egyptian food review. It's the bread. The bread is amazing. Probably the best bread. Cheers. Oh, that. Oh, wow. Okay.
That's it.
Eating dates. I've never eaten a date like this.
We have like the processed ones.
Oh,
They're like
yeah, they're only dried up.
it's pretty delicious, yeah.
Very delicious. Really sweet.
Allison's a good product.
We're going to buy some gold.
How about your name, sir?
Oh, I missed it.
B.
Let's see if Ben gets all the antics.
What else? I. Review after this discount.
Okay,
You should write me a good review in TripAdvisor.
we'll give you a good review. We're getting our cartouches made with real gold.
How تمسك أعصابك. What you want in the other side of your card. First of all, he picks up the letter one by one. امسك أعصابك. V Q of life D.
ماشي. لا مفاتيح من دي عشان
Key of life.
ازاي يعني بالسلاسل؟
سلاسل انا مش عارف انا قلت لهم بالسلاسل؟ خاف عليا احنا قلنا كده نمشي مش نشتري قالوا مليان خلاص See how he pick up the letter one by one? $5. الشغل ده حلو. أنا عايز من الشغل ده. إيه حتة واحدة؟ ده مين اللي جايبها؟ قال لك 20,000 جنيه ولا إيه؟ To make anything polished and shiny, just put it in hot water and just keep it for 3-4 minutes, and then teeth brush with a little bit salt, put it together, and then teeth brush, make it like this, and then pure water, everything will be clean.
Okay.
So this is a cartouche after finish and polish. See how it looks like. This is letter A, L, I, and then V, Q of life, and D. And in the back of it, there is one with I for us, protection, and long life.
So cool.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, sure. Looks so beautiful.
They don't stop hassling you here. This guy's coming up to the window trying to sell me all this. No, thank you. This guy, he came back with more stuff. He's like, maybe this you like? What about this? He's mad.